20 memorable quotes. Film The Lord of the Rings, The Return of the King. Part 2, 2003. The Lord of the Rings, The Return of the King is the epic conclusion to Peter Jackson's acclaimed trilogy, adapted from J.R.R. Tolkien's novel. As Frodo Baggins and his loyal companion Samwise Gamgee journey to Mordor to destroy the One Ring, the forces of good and evil clash in a climactic battle. The film showcases stunning visuals, memorable characters, and poignant themes of friendship, sacrifice, and the enduring power of hope. The iconic "You Shall Not Pass" scene, delivered by Gandalf the White, is a highlight, symbolizing the unwavering determination of those fighting against the darkness. The film's ending, with Frodo's departure from Middle-earth and the restoration of peace, provides a satisfying and emotionally resonant conclusion to the trilogy. Fool of a Took. Gandalf, the Fellowship of the Ring. Where was Gondor when the Westfold fell? Theoden, the Two Towers. What status, Precious? What status, A? Smeagol, the Two Towers. They're taking the hobbits to Isengard. Legolas, the Two Towers. I always liked going south. Somehow, it feels like going downhill. Treebeard, the Two Towers. Be silent. Keep your forked tongue behind your teeth. Gandalf, the Two Towers. Looks like meat's back on the menu, boys. Ugluk, the Two Towers. Let this be the hour when we draw swords together. Fell deeds awake. Now for wrath, now for ruin, and the Red Dawn. Fourth, Yorlingas. Theoden, the Two Towers. Saruman. A wizard should know better. Treebeard, the Two Towers. Aragorn, a day may come when the courage of men fails, when we forsake our friends and break all bonds of fellowship, but it is not this day. Frodo, I wish the ring had never come to me. I wish none of this had happened. Gandalf, all we have to decide is what to do with the time that is given to us. Sam, I can't carry it for you, but I can carry you. Gandalf, you shall not pass. Aragorn, for Frodo. Boromir, I would have followed you, my brother. My captain. My king. Gandalf, the ring has awoken. It's heard its master's call. Aragorn, the board is set, the pieces are moving. We come to it at last, the great battle of our time. Gollum, my precious. Gandalf, the world is changing, Frodo. The old order is in decay. The new has not yet been born. And there is a great power stirring in the hearts of men. Aragorn, we were home. How do you pick up the threads of an old life? Sam, don't you leave him, Samwise Gamgee. Gandalf, the pity of Bilbo may rule the fate of many. Aragorn, and so it begins. Faramir, I would rather share one lifetime with you than face all the ages of this world alone. Gandalf, the Grey Company will not turn back. Aragorn, the West must rise. Eowyn, I am no man. Gandalf, the Lord of the Rings has passed the will of its maker. It is broken,